Hey guys, welcome again to Technologist 24 by 7. In this video I will show you that how to add keywords tags to your YouTube channel. So before starting I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Here we upload very informative videos, tips and tricks. So now I will show you that how to do this activity. Let's start. After opening your YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio, then click on Settings and then click on Channel. Here we can type our channel keywords or tags. Now type your keywords you want, like I'm typing technologist, and I'm typing now technologist 24 by 7, tips and tricks videos, and so on. Now these are our channel tags or keywords we have added to our YouTube channel account. Whenever somebody type technologist, now then my channel will be shown to him. Now click on save, and that's it. So we have added keywords to our YouTube channel, and it was quite simple. And now I request you to please subscribe to my channel. As I already told you, here we upload very informative videos and tips and tricks videos. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Soon we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.